The next generation of mid-size adventure bikes is starting to take shape, and Triumph might be leading the charge. Recently, spy shots of the upcoming Triumph Tiger 950 have surfaced, and this is not just a simple upgrade. This looks like a complete evolution of the Tiger lineup. The biggest highlight is the presence of dual radar systems, mounted at the front and rear of the bike. This could introduce advanced features like adaptive cruise control, blind spot detection, lane change assist, and even forward collision warnings. These are technologies typically found on high-end touring motorcycles, but now they could arrive in the mid-weight adventure segment. When it comes to performance, the current Tiger 900 runs an 888 cubic centimeter engine. However, the new Tiger 950 is expected to feature a larger displacement, delivering more power, stronger torque, and better long-distance capability. There are also visible changes in the exhaust positioning, which now sits lower, suggesting internal updates to the engine configuration. Triumph appears to be redesigning the chassis as well. The new frame and subframe could improve overall balance, while a longer wheelbase may enhance stability, especially for touring and high-speed riding. This bike is clearly being built not just for performance, but for confidence and control across different terrains. In terms of design, the Tiger 950 looks sharper and more aggressive, while still maintaining its signature adventure styling. It's also expected to come in two main variants: a GT version focused on road riding, and a rally version built for off-road performance, each with different wheel sizes and suspension setups. On the technology side, we can expect a full-color TFT display, multiple riding modes, advanced rider assistance systems, and smartphone connectivity. This could easily become one of the most technologically advanced motorcycles in its class. As for the launch timeline, the Triumph Tiger 950 is expected to debut toward the end of 2026, with a full release likely in 2027. If Triumph delivers on all these upgrades, the Tiger 950 could redefine what riders expect from a mid-size adventure bike. Let me know what you think about this upcoming model, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest motorcycles.